On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pen full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 AlexOCrypto.
Good morning. Whoa, I'm way over here. Otter gang. What is going on? I think I hit my camera this morning. Hopefully you're all having a beautiful morning. I think this thing's a bit low. There we go. We're all good. I mean, who cares? As long as we're good, the sound is good, the people are good. Happy Tuesday, big dump day Monday. Big rug energy. Thank you guys for being here. Hopefully you've all had a beautiful Monday, and let's jump into the chat. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Chop City. Chop City. Chop City. Oh man, how we all doing? 10, 20s in the business, bitch. Good morning, Keaton Bean, my man. How you doing, bro? Good to see you. Happy Taco Tuesday. I don't know if I'm having tacos today. I do like having tacos on Tuesday. I think I was gonna have a steak dinner, but I'm delaying the steak. Steak is a once a month kind of thing, maybe, if we're lucky. I try to stay away from being a glutton, but man, steak. How about pineapples on pizza, guys? You know it's invented in Canada, right? Like, it's full on maple bacon. Maybe those who don't like pineapple on pizza don't have it with like ham and maple bacon. So you got like pineapple, maple bacon, cheese, bacon bits, and ham. Delicious, man. How could you not like that? Good morning. What's going on, Bagat? My man. Alexandra G. Brian Jefferson. Good morning. Good to see you. Yami. Decent Crypto. Hideki Matsui. Good to see you, man. Terry, BTC, what's going on? How you doing, man? Good to see you. Mr. Rossi, Shriyan, Pandy, MR, PRG, good morning to you. Good to see you guys. Thank you for being here, Juan. Juan is winning. Mr. Carlos Gonzalez. Carrero. STL, man. How you doing, man? Good to see you. Thank you guys for always being here. Curtis Hill, Duality. God bless you guys. How you doing, Isaiah? Tool, medium Pekka, giant Pekka. What's going on, Laurent? Must have big feet or something. Marius, Curtis Hill, G1 Milan. How you guys doing? Fred, good morning, man. Good to see you guys. Holy, what a dump we got last night. So, Army Piper, what about this Clarity Act, man? I guess they're saying something about a delay. Did you guys hear that? Who would have thought? Who would have thought, right? Oh, just a wee little delay here, mate. Come on. Come on. When did that start? I can tell you exactly when they started saying Clarity Act. Right here, guys. That's where they started saying it. We can all agree on that one. Clarity Act's going to get launched. We're voting on it this week. Woo! What a dump yesterday. 3 drives up at the highs. Retest of the previous lows. Continuation down. My God, Bitcoin. What happened, man? What happened? Pretty simple trade setup for the short. We went over it last night in the Discord if you were here. You got Adam and Steve, but it's a lot more than that, right? And Adam and Steve, right? Whenever you get an Adam and Steve breakdown here, so you got your triangle and your hump, right? Pretty simple. Adam and Steve, right? And then you break down, retest, and go to 0. The key to this, you got bull div, and we did get long in here. However, you're just failing to make a higher high. Like, it's just as simple as that, right? You don't even go swing high to swing low. It's just, you are just not pushing, right? You're not the father, right? This is flaccid, very flaccid, right? There's no reason, there's nothing in here that says long, right? There's no lower lows, lower highs, the whole way down. Okay, I'm getting carried away with the drawing. And clearly a rejection off of the highs, off of the pink box, guys. Pink box for the win yesterday. We didn't manage to take the short from here, but we managed to take a couple of good trades within here, getting away from a negative day. I think I took 2 losses with you guys. I was down almost $3,000 yesterday on the live stream, and I battled back. And I ended up break even yesterday, which is a happy day for me, man. I mean, I was down 3 racks. I battled back. I hit like a 2K trade, a 2K trade, a 400. Yeah, so I took those 2 losses. Then I was able to crush a couple of trades after that. So slow and steady, man. Slow and steady. So right now we're in Chop City. That's a sick beat on that song, Rack City. And here we are. This thing looks like absolute dog shit, mate. But we'll see what we can get today, guys. Coming down to our macro support level. So if you have watched my macro update videos that I do put out on Sundays, I put them out early for the Discord, but you can see level to level, 63. Massive support level here. If we zoom out even more, I mean, I could pull it all for you guys. Pokemon, man. Gotta catch them all. But you can see point of control, guys. Here we are. We got the 2 big volume nipples here. We got the beautiful tatas here, right? And can it be defended? That is the question, right? No trades right now. Still waiting. This is just downtrending resistance, right? It's just bear market-esque Chop City. We'll go over a little bit more top-down analysis, but aggressive dump yesterday. Coming back, capitulating, rugging everybody. And this is good. This is good for the market. I need to see pain. So we'll see how this materializes for the day. Doesn't really affect our micro penis scalping, right? Like it's all fine. In here, I'll take my money and run and leave a runner. We didn't manage to get short yesterday, but That's fine. We managed to stay alive in a bear market. Building the bear, baby. This is a great time to learn. This is a great time to practice some back testing, some forward testing. I mean, every time is a good time for that, but this requires a lot of patience in here. So in the meantime, in between, you can be doing a lot of work on yourself and your trading playbook. What's going on, Lotus? Good to see you. Curtis Hill, OG, Kudo. Laurent, how you doing? Thank you for always being here. Dependable Print, Morgan Freeman. Ayo. That's how he says ayo. I think Morgan Freeman or David Attenborough would be who I wanted to narrate my life. MM Miller, how you doing, man? Good to see you. Ollie's BTC, good morning. Jojo, Isaac, good morning. Thank you for always being here as well. Philly, Wagwan, my man. Good to see you. Morgan Freeman, there's no chilling here. We're just ready to execute trades. Below VWAP on Solana. Solana's got its ass whooped. Got to talk to WaveCypher. He's talking about shorting my Solana. Steve Hickey, good morning, man. How you doing? Hero, hello, boys. What's going on, man? Good to see our pink alien psyop. Rise and shine. Good morning. Good to see you, man. Thank you for being here, Kevin. Steve Hickey, Bitcoin champ. Good morning, good morning, good morning. That's it. This is a prep day, though. So this is set up for FOMC. So could be a little bit of shenanigans. I don't know why I'm yawning. I feel good. I feel ready and fresh to whoop ass every single day. I got up extra early today. I was like, You know, some mornings it's that hop in the step. Felt good this morning. Had a really nice day yesterday with my wife and the gang. I worked like crazy yesterday. I recorded 6 videos because I'm going away, so I wanted to like kind of have backup. I did all of my shorts up until the end of August. So you get shorts content if you do follow me here. Which have a lot of like secret sauce in them. If you don't watch the shorts, I think you should. And then I pre-recorded 6 videos. I taught in the Discord in Chart Prime. I streamed last night for the Discord. I did not stop yesterday. Yeah, so it's been Mondays are I try to get everything done Monday so I can kind of just trade and hang out and update for the rest of the week. It's very important to clear. I should probably do all the updates in the videos on Sunday, then I would be free, but Sunday's family. Our Pink, good to see you, man. The real bad Bay Tay gang. Let's go. How you been, our Pink? You hit the like button today? Good, man. You don't have to hit the like button. Some people don't even bother. MDL. It does help with my Canadian censorship. So I do appreciate if you guys smash that like button. It does help out the channel. Good to see you, Andy, Lightman, Crypto Mel, Jojo, Anywho, Tool. You want to see a rug? Look at XRP. Is it bad? Oh, look at ETH looks bad. Oof. XRP got it good. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. XRP. How do you like that, Brad? Did everybody buy in here like blockchain backer? Is there a joke there? Or is that too soon, Piper? I've only bought 2 things. I've bought a little bit of Bitcoin, like $4,000 of Bitcoin, and I've bought a lot of Solana at 64 mostly. My average buy on Solana is like $70 now, which I'm happy with. But too soon? Probably. And Dave started making a new song. Great. Cena, good to see you. You took the rug when you left the stream yesterday. Can we have it back? Yeah, I mean, I'm like Aladdin with that shit. Hell yeah, good to see ya. Guten Morgen, gang, 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 schnell, notorious. Have you seen A Day in the Life? It's a movie that's wrapped out. Appreciate you. Jojo, good to see you. Curtis Hill. Love me some beatboxing. I haven't really busted a full-on beatbox in a long time, but I don't think today's the day. Boom, boom. There's some next level, like I'm like a 90s beatboxer now. There's some guys who are like making noises that like only I can make with my farts, you know? Like it's next level. They're like right? Like oh, it's fun though, man. I couldn't rap, so I dropped the beat, okay? I need Jason See, there was lots of Jason Caspers and not a lot of beatboxers. So I would drop the beat, and then everybody would be drunk, and they'd freestyle, and I'd be like, slow it down, bro. That one's too fast. Right? Good fun. Pineapple belongs in pina colada. Let's go. Francois, good morning to you. Brian, how you doing? Dave Digital. Good to see you, man. How you been? Sim, good morning. Good to see you. Dusty, how you doing? It's not pine or apple. What the F is pineapple? Good morning. Good morning. Gates to Profit. Michael, good to see you. Mab the Great. Hello from India. Good to see you, man. Sulio, Son of the King. Good morning. Good to see you, man. How you doing, Son of the King? 585. Notorious. Good to see you. Charles. Chop, chop, chop. Grand Rising. Dave Digital, Cena, Mr. JR Prince, good to see you, Fusta. JR, are you going to take my stream? You can stream for me if you want on Thursday and Friday, Thursday and Friday. It's all yours, bro. Crypto Rob, good morning from hot Dubai. I bet, man. I bet. It's a hot Canada right now, too. Straight up, like 30 degrees. But I guess that's not hot compared to Dubai. Fusta, good to see you, man. Rashad, Jojo, JR Prince. Rack City is fire, yeah. Mr. Kemp, how's it going, man? Good to see you. How you been? This is a great time to put your money in a house. I kind of did that already, Piper. Oh, man. Grip and dip. I think Bitcoin will go down. Yeah, why not? I mean, up, down, all around. Right now, it's going nowhere. This is flat, unfortunately. This is setup day for FOMC, though. So today is a day of patience, really. Why don't we just short with 3x leverage and hold until we bottom? I mean, yeah, that's a great plan. Like in the Discord, I gave the short from here, from this, literally this tip right here. And I did not hold it properly, man. I closed at 66, man, like an absolute chump sauce. I shorted right here, and I closed it right here. Dummy. You asked the Discord. I don't know if anybody in the Discord's still short from that short setup I gave here. But I mean, it's a lot. I've aged like fine wine throughout this, if you know. We also gave the short from the pink box on the weekend, so I mean, it's all been there. If this, then that. I mean, if you get married to the idea that you could have, should have, would have, didn't, right? It's not really fucking useful for today, right? What's relevant today? How are you going to execute today? Oh, if only I had. That's not going to help your trading, man. Right? If only I'd done this. If only, yeah. Yeah. If only I'd shorted 124,000, right? Like, come on, man. But, the levels, the planning has been very accurate, even in this bear market. So I'm very proud of the Discord of how well we've executed. It's been actually a pleasure to watch a lot of the people, even in the bear market. I mean, I don't have to say it. They say it themselves, right? I can see the wins, right? I see the wins. Franco's, Andy's crushing it. Zed News, right? Just joining new people, right? Nadeem has been crushing it as well. Slam Banjo catching the short yesterday. Andy, right? Wayne Roasty, pink box to pink box. Thanks, Alex. Best trade of the month, right? I mean, it's been so good. Learning so much from the Otter Gang. Appreciate you, bro. Really appreciate everyone here. Good to see you. IMFR, right? Everybody's doing really well. And even if, like, you're not, I mean, the signals, hype trade, wild trade, like, there's been lots of setups that are just banging off as well. So it's all good to see, man. Especially in this environment. Especially in it, right? Do we have a delay here? Is the chart working? Do we got... The stream's working, right? Stream is healthy. My exchange is not working right now. Is Bitunix down? Let me check. You're looking good. Thanks, man. My trading view won't load. My trading view is fine. Or is it my browser? It might be my browser. They probably don't like my VPN. It's definitely my browser. Brave browser. Giving me trouble this morning. Let me fire it back up. I might have to go on my other browser here. That's fine. I'm capable, man. I'm very capable. Oh, it's alive. I think it's alive. Yeah, there we go. I think it was my VPN. We're live. No trades. Still waiting. Woohoo! All right. Sorry, guys. I mean, what's the point of live day trading and scalping if you can't click any buttons, right? All right. Clarity Act has been pushed back further. The Senate is now prioritizing nominations and a Russia sanctions bill, leaving crypto legislation unlikely to see the floor time before next week at the earliest. Anybody else get the memo? Yeah, we got rugged. guys. Just so you know. Solana trying to push out here. Where was I in the chat? See, now I don't know where I was staying. I was trying to get through the good mornings here. There we go. That's why I always highlight the chat. See? I'm prepared. MP, good to see you, man. Tool, Rashad, Sens, Mike. How you doing, man? Finally got a chance to tune in. Thanks for being here, bro. The best name, man. How you been? Jay Becker, Alien Psyop. It's a kid. Good morning, sir. I ain't no sir, man. My pronouns are Lord Otter and King Beaver, and identify as profitable. That's it. Good morning. Good to see you. Thank you for being here. Good morning, mind mates. CC. Gurav. Why Crypto? I sent you your giveaway money, Why Crypto, so that you should have that. Congrats on winning your giveaway. I don't know where Chantel is. She got her money too. Dusty, good to see you. Good morning, son. You didn't ask me when entry, man. That's the first, bro. How you doing? Are you okay? Are you okay? Do you need an entry? Short. I don't know. You do what you want. There's a big ass disclaimer at the beginning. 300 people here on the live stream. There's a bunch of y'all on X. I don't know how many y'all are on X, but oh yeah, we got 40 of you on X. What's going on, guys? Thanks for the follow and thanks for being here. Good to see you guys. I'll say good morning to you on the X chat. I don't know how to do it, but I'm trying, man. I'm trying to diversify my portfolio. Oh man, this price action's something, guys. I think we need to come here. That's just my 2 cents. I like corrections though. Corrections are good. You better check yourself before you wreck yourself. Dusty Keen Bean, good to see you. Rialto, I have a theory. If you wake up before any brightness outside, you have a higher chance of being tired early on. Okay. I mean, I was born in the dark. What's going on, Trenchy? Good to see you, man. One of our traders in the Discord. Cubanadian, how you doing, brother? TMB Willow. Chris, how you doing, man? Good morning, guys. Never too soon. Jojo, Dusty, BTC, Florida Stowe, my man, got wood. He's got wood this morning. McCall, Laurent. Good morning, guys. Slobo, Curtis Hill. Thank you guys for being here. It's choppy ASL today. Yeah, absolutely. Chef Money, good morning. Rialto, good morning. Give a plan $100 to 500 in 3 days. I don't know. Maybe buy a fart coin and pray. I don't know. That's a hard one, man. Stream okay. Okay, stream's good. Andy, good to see you. Andy shorted the tippy top. Ada Ace, my man. How you doing, man? Crypto Creek. KSEX rules. KSEX doesn't have proof of reserves, so I'd be very, 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 very cautious of keeping any money on there. Just so you know. F-Bomb, good to see you. Alien Psyop, Rialto. Cheap fees. What do you think cheap fees lead to? Just saying. Bro, up or down? Yeah, I use the VPN in Brave. Yeah, so you can... It's good because you can have Brave browser and an extension with NordVPN, so it's separate from your whole computer, which is really good. Logitech, good to see you. Seeing weekly candle will flip bullish as early bear push, 200 SMA bounce. So right now our weekly candle is probably not looking too hot, right? I'm not a big 200 SMA guy. Just so you know. I'm volume profile here. So we are here at the lows. Point of control. Do we bounce here? If we're gonna do it, we're gonna rip off the band-aid, right? So if we're looking at this thing objectively right now, and we want to see where we're at, what we're looking for, and how we're looking to get there, right? We're always trying to kind of fit this in. So we've lost this channel. Okay, the discovery channel is done. So where are we going, right? It's very clearly either we're coming back for a retest of previous lows, which would be ideal, right? Imbalance here, fair value gap, big ass gap here. So we come back into this and we reject. Whoop. Or we're coming here, man. This is like it, right? We go swing low to swing high, right? It's very simple. We don't need to complicate the TA. Okay. We have like cascading liquidity. I like that word, cascading. It makes me feel intelligent, but whatever. And we got clearly rejected out of a very key level of resistance. I said 67 multiple times to everyone. And we shorted up here, so we have the proof in the pudding. I just didn't hold it, but we did give it. So that's we gave it and we took it. I made $1,500. I could have made 10,000, but whatever. It got away. So if this and that. So as this breaks down, if we retrace, but as this breaks down, okay, it's just gonna grab liquidity. It's very simple, right? If we are range bound, if we ignore that we've broken out of that and we understand being range bound in here, these have moved, man. So this is supposed to be over here, long short. Yeah, that's right. So we are into this guy right here, 62,700. Boom. Need that to hold. Let's make it green so we understand. It needs to hold, okay? Big volume nipple. Can it hold? And can we remain range bound within this area in here, right? This is our big volume level. This is where price action is most comfortable, right? However, you lose this, you come here, like without a doubt. Very simple. So we'll treat it as being stuck within here and here, okay? 64 to 62 or 63, 63 to 64, right? And I would expect some sort of chop into tomorrow. Then we get FOMC, and then we'll see, right? The thing is that we have the S&P correcting right now at the lows, right? S&P holding on for dear life. We can all see that. We don't need to, have a degree, degree in economics to see that. You know what else has degrees? Thermometers have degrees. And do you know where you put thermometers? Right up your ass. That's what an old tradesman used to tell me. And we're losing critical support on the NASDAQ, right? So there's certain things you never forget, right? I'll never forget that. Old tradesman said that, right? Oh, man. AlexOCrypto always going, there's a line, and I live on the other side of the line. Okay? It doesn't belong on pizza, but it's good on pizza. I'll agree with that. Daniel, good to see you. One Way. Jeffy, good to see you. Rialto. King Froggle. ADC. Trez, Y Crypto, thank you. I will check. No problem, man. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. Thank you for being here. Vinny, Ever, Brillo, Logitech, Marine Mike, my man. How you doing? Good morning, guys. No, Alex, I don't put thermometers there. You don't have to do that to make new types of Stop being a pervert. That's a Friday joke, says Marius. Oh, man. It's true, Fridays. Fridays, we let down our beard hairs. I mean, that's it. Talk shit. Come on, guys. We're a whole bunch of dudes in their 30s who are trying to quit their jobs because they want to be lazy and have more time freedom. So we're learning how to click 2 fucking buttons. We're here to talk shit and have fun, man. I mean, look, we're all here looking at like rectangles and lines, right? This is what we're looking at right now, everybody. This is our job right now. Green candle. Yeah. Did you think this in high school when you were like, man, I could be an astronaut? Red candle. I want to go to Hawaii. Watching crank yankers smoking blunts and being like, yay, we're going to do this. Like, I can build a house, but I can make the amount of money in like 10 minutes that I would make in 40 hours as a carpenter looking at stupid ass rectangles. That's ridiculous, right? No? Okay? Remember what we're doing here, guys. Take a look around and be like, okay, I'm on my phone. I'm pressing buy. I'm pressing sell. Right? Too good, man. Right? Good afternoon, Triangle. Good to see you guys. You got to have a giggle, right? When people... Yeah, we're like in block class in kindergarten, all right? We're like, okay, we got diamond reversal pattern here, and we're probably going to go down. Right? Or is this a descending flag thingy-mabobber rectangle? This is a parallelogram. The one word we couldn't say as a kid, right? I don't know, man. And then you got the people who are like, this is computer algorithms matched up with massive codes and market makers hunting us, sharing liquidity on the buy side and the sell side, always looking to... come on, man. It's buyers and sellers playing tug of war. This is literally game of tug of war all day long, right? And then manipulated by everyone, right? You let BlackRock in, you find out, right? You just like gold. Paper gold versus paper Bitcoin. It's the same deal. It's all manipulated now. You have let them in. So our job is to click and run. Click here, run. Right? And that's it. Some do it better than others. Some do it really bad too. So take your time. Give yourself a chance. This price action sucks right now. So our job is to be patient. We'll do top-down analysis. Good morning, everybody. Thank you guys for being here. 30s was dope. Good to see you, Logitech. How you doing, man? Jason. Oh my God, Jason, that's too far, man. I would read that, but I'm gonna let everybody else read that. And Triangle, yay. What's going on? Real too. Last 10 hours have been hell to trade. Yeah. I mean, I caught a little long in here last night. And I was like, you know what? This is taking... I feel like I aged holding that trade. So NASDAQ trying to hold on here. It's not looking the greatest. Tesla pre-market down. SPY might need to come here, guys. Like, very simply, this is bad. This ain't good. So ES slowly breaking down here. The thing is, we all know here, everybody who has traded long enough know that there's just going to be a random ass God candle. There's going to be one of these probably tomorrow, but there's going to be one of these big ass candles and then down we go. But there's going to be one of these. We all know that because it's bear market price action. If you haven't experienced bear market price action, welcome to the jungle, man. It's humble pie served very cold. I keep yawning this morning. You guys are great. What do we got here? Anything? Good morning, Twitter. Good to see you. 50 people on Twitter. Thank you guys for following me on Twitter. We wait. I was thinking doing a silent stream and just trading. I was talking to the Discord. It's been a little bit annoying, just like trying to trade and talk at the same time. But we'll get there. I feel like yesterday was a little bit of a pain in the ass with missing that short because it was so obvious on Solana. Like, it was so clear. You got 3 drives up at the highs, retest their previous lows. Like, red line to red line trade yesterday. This is normally where I make tons of money. 3 drives, closing back within the range. You short anywhere in here, and yeah, get paid. And that's 20 grand right there for me. I'm missing my my giga trades. That's the annoying part right now for me, is I'm missing the ones that really pay the bills. Right? And then it's not easy. It's bear market price action, but it is easy because I'm prepared. And if I'm teaching on the live stream and trying to execute at the same time, you guys know men can't multitask, let alone women. I went there. Too soon. But yeah, it's when you're trying to see it, and then you're talking about fucking candle patterns or trying to help a new guy, which is part of it. I do appreciate new people coming into the space, and hopefully I can help them on their journey. But it is a little bit frustrating when I'm missing my setups, right? Reclaim, holding VWAP here, trying to push out, trying to get up into this high here. Looking for like a sweep of this high here. So can we get going? And then roll over. That would be ideal. Nice hold here. Nice push for Solana. Solana trying to push up here. Good little push. It'd be cool if you just did the silent stream but walk through your thinking after you made your trades. Yeah. I agree. Do I have a fat pet otter in my dungeon? Yeah. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4 otters in here, man. Good morning, Chocolate. Good to see you, Henry. Stan. No trades right now. Still waiting right now. Showing the trades, taking the trades every day. Chill background music and trade stream would be fine also. I typically, welcome to the jungle. I typically trade with boom bap 90s hip hop music. That's kind of my go-to. I get some Wu-Tang or that's kind of my I'll throw on like Illmatic or good morning, Brack. Good to see you, man. Ibel. Good morning. You guys are funny. You can't have them? Oh, that sucks, Frenchie. DGen trading with Cypress Hill. Just got announced in the mail. Yeah. Crypto Hefe, good morning. Good to see you, man. Yarbrook, good morning. Nice little push here. Chop at the wop. Nice accumulation here on the ES. Taking the liquidity of the highs. So now we expect this. Potentially. Or it goes here. NASDAQ holding the lows. Same with Bitcoin here. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. 350 people here on the live stream. Only 123 likes, if you guys wouldn't mind. That'd be cool. Tickle that like button. Having a look at Bitcoin here. So what are we looking at? No trade right now. Bitcoin losing key levels of support, losing the channel. And we're looking across the market. What can we see? Well, we see a lot of weakness on the S&P. We see a lot of weakness on our NASDAQ, right? On our tech stocks. So we can see that we've lost this uptrending momentum here and breaking down right now. So weakness in Bitcoin, big rollover last night. So coming back into the middle of the range, we're really stuck between volume right now. We can see that supports at 63,000 coming into our key buy levels. Recently, we can see though from swing low to swing high. We have not retraced to our golden pocket after pushing up so aggressively, even in any of these levels up in here, right? So hasn't had a full retracement. So ideally, we coming back down to 61, but there is volume support in here. So looking to defend this low. However, we have, lost lows, lost the low here. So retests are for shorting if we do get pullbacks. Okay, so just keeping our eye on the price. Trend is down now ever since we lost our uptrending structure. And we could see this was getting overextended, hence the short given in advance in the Discord up here. So if this then that, it's bear market price action, quite choppy, looking for NASDAQ to find lows here, looking for the SPY to find lows here. Hasn't found them yet, so we continue to have a short bias. However, they will come back and grab liquidity. Market cipher is bottoming out on the 4 and the 3, trying to push back here, but we do have inward curvature on the 3 hour here, suggesting continuation down and lots of weakness. The 2 hour and the 1 hour confirming green dots, but still inward curvature. Money flow coming out aggressively here. So this is suggesting down. And we can see that curvature here. So we're looking for a trigger wave in this area here for a potential bullish divergence, maybe a sweep and go. Okay, so watching that coming into this morning. going down into like the shorter term time frames here, we can't see a very aggressive drop, right? So generally we're looking for retests of previous lows and continuation down into nice order blocks, which we do have a sell wall right here, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, so we are looking for that to act as resistance coming into this morning, and we have sell walls above us as well. So we're prepared either way. Expect price action to be very choppy, and then all of a sudden, right? That's it. Chop, and then boom. Chop, and then boom. Everything is going to look like a trade. If you haven't traded the bear market, everything looks like a trade. Your job is to be patient, define your ranges, define your key levels, and set alerts and wait. It's not a participation game during a bear market. Understand that. This is less is more situation. A lot of the time trading, you know, there's a big there's a big effing revolution in your trading, in your mindset, when you realize that if you're patient, you get paid. Okay? Believe me, when you have that like aha moment of like, holy shit, the more I wait, the more money I make. It's like, holy smokes. Put a 1 in the chat if you've realized that, right? The more you wait, I mean, I could press long right here and I could make money. It's not going to help me long term. There's a big ass, key levels. That's why I say put 2 alarms on your chart. Put, alarm up and alarm down, and understand where are you looking, where are your A pluses, and how are you going to execute those trades, right? I don't know why my alerts aren't showing up here. But yeah, there you go. So I have like, okay, we're pushing out here, and then we're dumping here, right? So like I always isolate my price as best as possible, right? And then if I'm like not on the charts, I'll set it a little bit more accurately. So before I leave to like go shower or whatever in the morning, I'll go and put this here, or I'll put this here, just so I know, right? So I can, slip on the soap, do a backflip, hit the buy button or the sell button, all that stuff. But the more you wait, the more you make, in my opinion. And it took me a long time to realize this isn't a participation sport. It's not like there's no participation trophies. No one's coming to save you. No one's going to wait for you. The hardest thing is that you waited all day long and then you're actually busy when it comes to your levels. That's also a big frustration of mine, right? Chantel, good morning. Good to see you. I sent you your giveaway money. Hopefully you got that. God bless you. Thank you for being in the gang. Thank you guys for the bless you. 11111. Patience you must be. I make the alerts have different sounds for long and short. Nice, Rob. That's the way, man. And Rob, you've been crushing it. So, I mean, you're clearly, you have your defined levels, you have your setup, you have your risk, and you execute, right? I mean, and especially as a scalper, man, like I can click the button. Believe me, if I want to, I could just get it. You guys have seen me take 4 trades before 9 o'clock here, but it's, is it beneficial? It's not beneficial to your health. I promise you that. My girl got beat up so bad last night. Solana. I wish I shorted you. You gonna treat me good today, Solana? I'm going to try and go the whole stream today. How about that? No coffee break. What do you guys think? I wonder what, I've been getting like 3,000 people on the live stream. So I wonder what the numbers would be like if I just did the whole thing and not like delayed. Because there's always like a boop. There's a big old V-shaped recovery on the stream. No coffee long. I'm kidding. I'm going to go get some coffee. I normally wait for I don't hear my wife up yet though, so I'm going to wait. She better hurry up though. I'm getting low on the coffee. I like to say good morning to my wife and my son. They be sleeping in. My son had a bad night though. His teeth are terrible right now. I think he's getting the molars, the back ones. Oof. My God, what a trooper. Poor little man. Poor little man with the molars coming in. Can you imagine? No wonder you don't remember anything when you're 2 years old. Because, like, imagine breaking skin and growing your back teeth. Oh, my God, the toothache. 4 at a time? I've had one bad tooth before. Nothing worse than a toothache or an earache, right? Oh. I've experienced pain, though. If you didn't know, it's AlexOCrypto because I cut my toe. My big toe, I cut it off with a lawnmower when I was like 20. I've told the story many times here. My toe is still working. It's like, if this is my toe, right? So you got my toes. Good thing I tucked in my little toes, so my little toes didn't get it. But if this is my big toe, all right, it cut my Air Force right off, right? It cut the Air Force like this. Shing! And the big toe, if this is the big toe, and this is where your nail is, it cut it from like here to here. Okay? And the bone was like this, guys. So, I mean, I can still feel it right now. The phantom pain is real, man. I still have a little nail that grows right here. And I kept this piece. This piece flew onto the lawn. I kept it, and then they sewed it back on. So the toe is like all janky here. But I kept this piece, and they sewed it on. But I'm telling you, the pain from an extremity. And I'm a carpenter. I've smashed my thumb and my fingers like a million times. But I'm telling you, my toe felt as big as the house for like 2 weeks. Just wah, 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 wah. Oh my God. Fucking hell. Wiggle your big toe. And it took me a while to like get my balance and everything back. Those are the worst. No coffee break means no longs for us. No coffee long. So no spoon feeding, says Marius. Nasty. Yeah. The funny thing is I landscaped for 3 years prior to that injury. One morning. Right? Right? I had an explosion rip my vehicle in half and throw me 14 feet through the air and blast and bruised my brain. It all makes sense now. Tell me about this toe. Just talking about the pain side. Like, I'm sure there was a lot of pain in that, but I'm telling you, the toe hurt more. I'm telling you the toe hurt more. I ain't going to argue, and I love you and thank you for your duties, but I'm telling you the toe hurt more. And I'm telling you, I'd rather be shot in the leg, man, or something like that. I'm telling you, oh my God. I was backing up. There was like a hill, Okay, and we had a tree. Here's the tree. No trade right now. Here's the tree. And I had the lawnmower. Good thing it was an old-ass lawnmower. And I'm whipping it around the tree. So, like, I'm whipping it around backwards through the tree, and I step up on this hill. So, like, the lawnmower comes around the tree, right? And then I got the lawnmower here. I don't know how to draw a lawnmower, guys. And I fucking slip down the hill like this, and my foot goes underneath the lawnmower. I kill the lawnmower, pa! And then it goes, and like, I fling the lawnmower. I fall on my ass. My shoe, I still got the shoe. The shoe was like this. And there's like the laces. And my toe was over here, and I was down here. Oh, man. I'm lying, and I'm screaming on the ground. I'm screaming. I'm like, bah! And this, the funniest shit, man. Like, I'm in like a residential neighborhood tucked away. The funniest shit, there's this lady. She's jogging, man. I'll never forget this. She's jogging, right? This hot chick's jogging, right? And she's like, "Are you okay? Are you okay?" I'm like, "You gotta smoke." You gotta smoke. Call an ambulam. Somebody call an ambulam. And I said, "You gotta smoke." And like, she looked Lululemon, all the like fancy fitness wear, and she was one of those, you know, those spoiled wife. Like, this was a rich neighborhood. The spoiled wife who goes off for a cheeky little jog in the morning and goes and has a cigarette. She opens up her fanny pack and hands me a dart. And I'm smoking a dart waiting for the ambulance, man. So funny. I'll never forget. Obviously, the pain helps you never forget. But can't believe this hot chick running in the morning looking all fitness. And really, she's just running away from her house to go smoke a dart before she goes back home and deal with her husband, you know? I was literally the type who would ask a jogger for a dart, man. At that moment in time, I needed a cigarette. I smoked a lot back in the day. Oh, man. Fucking smoked my toe. And the thing is that, like, the initial pain did not hurt. It was, okay, I went to the hospital with my toe in an ice box. They sewed it back together. When they stuck the needle in the tip of the toe, okay? But it was the weeks after, man. I was in my bed with my foot on like 8 pillows. Elevate, right? Elevate. Rest, ice, compression, and elevate. Rice, right? So I got my foot up on the fucking pedestal, and it's just going like this, as big as the house. Whoa, whoa. Don't matter. T3s, Percocet, you name it. Whoa, whoa. For 2 weeks. Oh my God. I'll never forget it. I wouldn't wear flip-flops for like 4 years after that, because I'll rep them all day now. I don't care. My wife calls it the Franken toe, right? AlexOCrypto. You guys can make fun of it all day. I ain't gonna show you like my toe on stream. That's kind of gay. But if you guys really want to see it, I'll put a picture of it in the Discord or something. Don't you dare be memeing it and shit like that, though. I give pictures away of my life, and then like the Discord just takes the piss. I should change the name to AlexOCrypto online. Yeah. It makes them like toe merch or something. I should have an only toes. Let's be real. There's no one who has a toe that looks like mine. You know the memes are coming. Oh, fuck. You guys are great, man. There, now 500 people are making fun of my toe. VWAP holds continuation up here, guys. This is ascending triangle right now. No trade. This is just flat top, continuation up, higher lows. Looking to push up and take this high right now. No trade. Still waiting, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here and putting up with my toe-ass stories. I do appreciate you guys. A little bit of patience right now. We'll see where we get to. Looking to come and take some liquidity. We got bear divs in here. So bear divs, SFP. So bear divs, break of the low, SFP, down we go. That would be expectational order flow right now. However, we do have order block and resistance above us here. So we could be potentially looking for a short up here, depending on price action. ES is pushing out. Good start to the day. Same with NASDAQ. I can hear my wife who has gotten up now. So she's probably going to be like, good morning, AlexOCrypto. So I'm going to leave you with the coffee long. I wouldn't take this trade, but you guys can do whatever the heck you want. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel, smashing the like button, all that good stuff. God bless you guys. And I appreciate you guys being here and hanging out. Give me the VWAP slap, baby. I'm going to make a playlist, but not yet.
Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Wait for the SFP, sweep the lows and go golden pocket bounce. Let the money flow. Hit the outer block, avoid the dark mall wick. Stop loss to entry, don't be a dick for a tick. Archetype for printing. The outer gang is winning. Give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, hit the pink box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap. Slap it, trade the bonds, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Don't be a namby-pamby bullshit. Get out of your wanking chariot. Let's go. Don't be a douche canoe. Manage your risk. Drop at the top, stop at the top. Wait for the flip. Push it, slap it, one pick. Give it the VWAP slap, slap it, pump it, hit the big box, make the green candle pop. Oh, give it the VWAP slap, slap it, trade the buns, don't get chopped at the top. Oh, base hits, take the money and run. Base hits, now the friction's gone. Taking the trade, showing the
I wouldn't have taken it. Take the money and run. All right. We're back to where we started. Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. How are we doing? God bless you guys. Thank you for being here and supporting the channel. Lots of hearts, Rasta hearts in the chat. I'll tell you mine if you tell me yours. Alex can go toe to toe against any YouTube trader. AlexOCrypto. Thanks, man. How do I? AlexOCrypto.com. AlexO foot fed channel. Ew. Do we have a creepy body part? I have a gigantic. So your toe looks like the chart finally. Yeah. Oh, man. Too funny. He just drew the story. He slipped downhill and towards the lawnmower and the foot went under. Yeah. It did. I killed it when I let go of the handle. I killed the lawnmower, but it obviously takes... It's good it wasn't like a high-end lawnmower. It was a piece of shit, but... We have a buddy who lost half a thumb. We call him 9.5. Nice. Oh, man. She needs to get up a little bit earlier, yeah. Gigantic medium time frame. The toenail does. So like the toe is like mangled. Like the left side of the toe is normal, and then it like peaks, and then it's like da ga 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 ga. And then like you can see the part that they stitched on, like you can see the stitch. And the nail would have been like, I guess it would be like this, right? So the nail would have started like here for the rest of the toe to be on. Like the rest of the toe would have been like that, right? So the nail still grows at like this bottom left. There's like a little hole here, and I get like a snaggle tooth nail. Like it's like this little chunk that comes out, and I cut it off every like month or so because it starts scratching the sheets in the bed. Like I can feel it like shing. And it's fucked up. Okay. And then you want any more details? Talk about the worst part is that there's no meat on it, right? So it's like this is like where the bone is, like if that's it. So like when I stub my toe, I can feel it in the top of my head. Like it there's no padding whatsoever. It's straight bone to skin. So you get like phantom pain and you get the bone to skin whenever you stub it. I'm telling you. Oh. It's like getting kicked in the nuts and stubbing your toe at the same time. Pick or it didn't happen. You guys are I'm not taking a pic of it, man. Everybody's eating. It's breakfast. Nah. If you guys, there's 370 people here. If you get it to 400 likes today, I'll show you my pic of my toe. 400 likes, and I'll show you the toe. All of a sudden, you get raided. You know what's funny? Maybe it's not funny, but to me it's funny. For the last 4 years, I have sent my YouTube channel to other channels and promoted their channel. Right? We go to other people's channel and we go, Otter Gang, right? And we all tag it and then I do a giveaway. We've done that for 4 years straight. I've only received that once since live streaming. Isn't that kind of weird? I mean, I'm sure Piper sends his people and stuff like that, but I don't know. I think that's kind of weird. Don't you think that's kind of weird? And do you know who sent them? Sin City Crypto, man. God bless them. Sin City Crypto, baby. God bless Dave, Rob, Mr. Fa himself. I love those guys over there. They're family. But yeah. One way is for sure a liberal. Nah. Be kind, don't be a douche canoe. Creepy people out there. The foot fetish. It'll pay for my son's college. I am like Mr. Deeds. Yeah. I like feet. Jason Casper sent me here. We love Jason Casper. I can't handle the fa. It's too much fa for me too. It's not he's the Zen master, right? But his fas do not make me Zen. Jason Casper is an absolute legend, though. I love Jason. I learned a lot of market cipher from Jason Casper and a lot of fibs from Jason Casper when I was new to trading. I do have a Fibonacci video coming out for you guys. I think this week or next week. I don't know anymore. Dump it, baby. Down we go into VWAP here. Didn't even take the highs, man. 8 minutes till market opens, guys. Thank you, everybody, for being here and supporting the channel. Smashing that like button. Subscribe if you're new. We're here every morning, taking the trades, showing the trades. I appreciate you guys being here and hanging out. The guys are making fun of my my toe in the Discord already. They got Mr. Deeds here. I'm very, very sneaky. They're saying everyone's going to show us a picture of his injured, chopped off toe if we get 400 likes. Quick run to the live and like the stream. You guys are... I'd whip it out. Like I have no shame in the toe. But it's early. I don't really want to make anybody throw up their breakfast yet. I mean, don't forget I'm Italian too, so we got the we got hair, we got the afros on the toes, right? You just became a Discord member. Welcome to the family, man. It's the best Discord in all of crypto. You got 9 traders in there, signals, setups, levels, live streams, 150 plus videos of education. It's an incredible place to be, man. Good people. Dave, stop with the friggin' foot pics in the Discord, please. I'm gonna time you out in the Discord now. I'm on to you. I'm always watching. Don't create jobs. You're a mod. You're not supposed to create jobs for me in the Discord. Remember, you have the free membership. Sorry about your foot. Send it to 0. NASDAQ rounding top, looking to break down. See where the SPY opens up this morning. Bitcoin rolling over. That was the coffee short, really. Big roll over here coming in trying to come for these lows, right? So we'll see how she goes below, but you know, sweep and go all the way down. Losing VWAP aggressively could be bearish here. Thank you everybody for being on the live and hanging out. The only thing required is a good morning. You have everything in the Discord except for hose. It's true, man. We keep adding too. We just added, you know, trench juice. We just added the oscillator and the indicator package for you guys. Yeah, it's nonstop, man. Discord's fire. It's truly a privilege to hang out and serve you guys. Brewberry called the short yesterday. Give a warning. I don't want to see your Franken toe. Yeah, I will not just be like, here's my toe, guys. It's not happening. Some people are like hate feet. My wife's best friend like cannot even look at feet. Like, it's hilarious. It's oh, Vinny's trolling me hard here. I love you, Vinny. God bless you, man. You guys can troll me all day. VWAPs ain't gonna hold here, Dusty. This is an aggressive move through. Breaking down now. Soy Boy Lana breaking down now. Tweezer top. Bearish divergence. Peaking. Rolling over into market open. Trapping longs on the way up. Dump it. Thank you guys for being here, hanging out. We'll see. Eesh. XRPP bye-bye. Oof. ETH, bye-bye. Yeah. We know where ETH is going, right, everybody? Biddy rolling over. 3 minutes till market opens. This is setup day, everybody. Thank you for being here. Market cipher trying to bottom out. Still looking weak. 1 hour, 2 hour, all inward curvature looking a little bit weak here. Rolling over, failing to push. Okay, looking for a bottoming structure here. We do not have it yet overall. We are in a very high volume area looking to find support here, but doesn't necessarily mean it's going to come in here. I'm looking for bottoming structure within this area down in here. Okay, we'll see how it goes, but obviously a big old sell-off this morning and last night. So prepared traders, profitable traders, we're trying to be that. We'll see where we get to today. Thank you for being here on the live stream. Smashing likes, subscribing if you're new. 430 people here on the live stream. Thank you guys. A little bit of a rollover here this morning. A little bit of a chop up and then a roll down. Down, yeah, 0.5%. Bear market price action, guys. So try to remain patient. Remember, today is a setup day, right? Tomorrow's FOMC day. So, right, this is the volleyball. This is the second hit, right? This is the setup to the net, and then we're going to get spiked on tomorrow. We'll be live streaming all day tomorrow, basically. So that should be fun. And then I'm flying away on Thursday, Friday. So I will not be streaming Thursday and Friday. I'm going to see my family. However, we'll be here tomorrow, today, and into the future. So thanks for being here, everybody, and supporting the channel. And I do appreciate your support, hanging out here. We do $5,000 worth of giveaways every day, or every week, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. I will be posting the giveaways on Twitter and in the Discord for Thursday and Friday. So don't worry, you'll still be entered for those giveaways. The way you participate is you sign up with the Bitunix link pinned in the comments down below. VIP 3 deposit bonuses for everybody, and an awesome exchange and an awesome deal. Yeah, I'm going to see the grandparents, Kodak. Granddad's not doing too hot. And Sign up with the link. Deposit, trade. You get entered for the giveaway, and we do that every week. $5,000. Okay, so support the channel that way. I appreciate it, and thank you for being here on the live stream, hanging out. Taking the trades, showing the trades, trying to make crypto honest again. Here we are. Bitcoin, Solana, all looking quite ugly. Rotation down, trying to sweep some liquidity. Trying to find good areas for shorts. I like higher here. I like into this order block volume resistance right now. We got a couple levels above us. But if we just roll over here, we look for breakdown retests, right? So here we go, baby. Let's go. Gap down. Gap down and pop up. Okay, nice pop up here for the SPY. Gap filled already on the SPY. Buy levels coming in for certain tokens here. NASDAQ, Solana, sweep and go. Nice pushback. Bitcoin coming back up. Retest of VWAP. Do we get a slap here? VWAP slapping, continuation down potentially. Nice pushback here for the open. Gap has been filled already. NASDAQ. Rolling over, not looking too healthy here. 1 minute. Retest, continuation down. Solana. 3 minute. Retest, continuation down. Bitcoin, VWAP, front run. No trades. SPY. No trade. Got a lot of lows to come and take here for Bitcoin. Can it continue downwards? Put a 1 in the chat if you're long. I don't think that's a good idea. Put a 2 in the chat if you are short. Thank you for being here. 480 people on the live. Crazy, man. I didn't think I'd ever be streaming to this many fucking blokes in my life. 480 plus 100, 580 people here hanging out. Fuck yeah. Thanks for being here, man. That's cool. Don't worry, I won't show you my toe. We could talk about it, though. AlexOCrypto. You'll never hear the name again properly. It's Alex O because my last name starts with an O. That's why. If you're wondering where the O came from. Rotation down. Retest of previous lows. Continuation down. NASDAQ. Bleeding. Tesla. Dying. SPY. Dying. It's all going to zero. Ethereum. Whew, gonna drop off a cliff, baby. Bitcoin coming down. Twos better be in this chat when I look. Twos. Let's go. Gang, 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 gang. Let's go, baby. Alex Ottarelli. Hey, amica mia. Sweep of the low. Trapping traders. Sweep of the low and go. Sweep of the low and go. Potential pushback. Ooh, Solana taking that liquidity. NASDAQ. Whew. Bye-bye. Bye, NASDAQ. See you later. Arrivederci. Ciao. SPY. Choppy. I like the sweep on Solana here. Can it hold? Bitcoin not holding. Bitcoin sweeping the low here. Lower. ETH rolling over. Nice sweep on ETH. Whew. Can we push back here? Solana taking the low. Pushback. Potential pushback. I like a trade back into VWAP if Bitcoin wants to hold here. Might need to come lower though. Sweep and go. Sweep and go. NASDAQ no. NASDAQ says no. SPY. SPY says no. Bitcoin says no. Lower. ETH dying. ETH didn't take liquidity. Interesting. Bitcoin rolling over. Still can come lower for Biddy. Trying to hold on here. Trying to hold on here. No trades yet. Still waiting. I like the sweep on Solana, but liking a trade and taking a trade are very different. If Solana can push back at it here, though, could be nice. Solana trying to push. Bitcoin trying to push. Like I said, I wanted to see higher. Nasdaq still looking nasty. SPY holding, trying to push up. 1 minute on SPY, consolidation, continuation down. Still no trade here, waiting. Bitcoin trying to hold here. Can Bitcoin push back into... Can we get a bid in here? Solana taking the low. I like that. Considering a long here. Is this a scalp back up into VWAP? Or up into the highs? I like this. Let's give it a whirl. I'm long. Quick little scalpy scalp here. Up into the imbalance. Trapping all the shorts this morning. I like that contrarian idea. What do you guys think? Let me know. I don't care what you think. I'm trading, man. You guys do what you want to do. I'm done trying to be the talking guy here, man. I'm here to make money. I'm on strike with the entertainment. I told you the creepy toast story already. Okay, we good? Push. Can I get a follow through, please? Nasdaq week. Nasdaq week. I'm out. Damn. Break even. Next trade. One break even trade. I like the pushback here, but no follow through. Nasdaq continues to roll over. SPY. Indecision. Biddy. Indecision. Trying to get through VWAP here. Can it continue? ETH rolling over. Tesla rolling over. SPY trying to push back. Nasdaq falling down here. Ugly open here for the market. Bitcoin continuing to roll over. Retest back down. Still no trade. Waiting. Bitcoin. Clear sellers in control here. Coming down. Down we go. Coming for the liquidity of the lows. Nice sell-off. Beautiful sell-off. Solana rotation down. Bitcoin rotation down. VWAP retest continuation down. Sweep of the lows. Grumpy AlexOCrypto. Oh, never, man. Down first, yeah. I like that. Down we go. Thank you guys for being here. Aggressive moves through VWAP is bearish, yes. Solana sweeping those lows again. Rotation down. Bitcoin rotation down. Solana losing key level support. Liquidity taken. Down we go. Nasdaq weak. Bitcoin weak. Beautiful. Coming down for that liquidity now. Nasdaq dying. Bitcoin dying. Rotation down. NASDAQ. Whew, NASDAQ says no. No trade here. Big dump for Solana. Solana looking to come into the pink box at 72. 72 pink box for Solana. Down she goes. Down she goes. Big dump energy. Still no trade here. Needs to close back up. I made a video on the SFP trade so that you guys understand. NASDAQ pushing. Solana dumping. Trying to bounce. Big dump. I'm long. Put that to break even. See if we can push here. Madonna. Right back down. Really? That's annoying. Did it come back for me just there? I was up 1,000. That's annoying. Stopped out. Break even. Solana trying to push back. Oh, I just closed one of my Bitcoin charts. Biddy trying to push back. SFP bounce. Stopped out. Break even. Can it reclaim the range or no? NASDAQ, rotation down. Still looking weak on NASDAQ here. Still looking weak here on Solana. SPY rolling over. That's weird, man. I should have taken that off for the quick scalp, $1,000. More dump. Yep, more dump. No strength here. No buyers stepping up, right? So, not looking too hot. NASDAQ dying, guys. Whew. These nasty, man. 2's in the chat if you're short. GG's, man. No bids coming in for Bitcoin. Rotation down. NASDAQ, SPY, everything rolling over here, guys. GG's, GG's, GG's. Can we reclaim the range here? That's the question, right? With Bitcoin. Overextended to the downside, trying to push back. Now I kind of need like higher high, higher low if we're going to get going here. Still waiting. Why is this so big? Gotta go here. NASDAQ little push out. Solana trying to reclaim support. Still looks weak, guys. Big rollover for Biddy this morning. Big rollover for NASDAQ. People shorting the farm, man. No pushback here for Bitcoin. Trying to hold on. Orb is in. Ray Orb is in. This is just stalling out to go lower, in my opinion. No trades right now. Still waiting. Bitcoin dumping. Just chilling. NASDAQ bleeding out. SPY bleeding out. Bitcoin coming down. Lower. Thank you, everybody, for being on the live. Big dump right now, Bitcoin. Can it find any legs, or are we just going to continue to roll over here? We shall see. NASDAQ, nasty. SPY, nasty. Biddy, trying to hold lower orb. Looking for longs on Solana at 72-ish area. See ya, Bitcoin. Down we go. Congratulations on your shorts, everybody. Beautiful trade. Lower, 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 everyone's saying. You like the sound of my mic, King Juve? Thanks for being here, man. I thought this was an ASMR channel. Considering a long here. Buyers stepping up. I'm long. Stop to entry. Up 300. Looking to come into the lows here. I saw buyers step up there. I don't know how to explain that. Push, Biddy. Let's see if we keep going here. Coming up to resistance on Solana. I took Solana, not Biddy. Bitcoin reclaim of orb, potential continuation up. Still rolling over, coming back for late short, so I'll be aggressive with take profits here. If we do want to follow through, though. Up 300. Can we push back? Trying to hold orb here. NASDAQ pushing back. Good sign on NASDAQ for strength here. Big V-shaped recovery potentially. TP2 on the lows here. Push. Come on, ya nambe pambi. Don't be a dick for a tick, everybody.
Yeah. Listen up. Out of gang. Step into the clinic. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. You staring at the chart, paralyzed by the greed. Holding on a runner that is guaranteed to bleed. You won't take the profit cause your confidence is weak. Thinking this is the only green candle of the week. Get out your ranking chariot and execute the plan. Secure the bag, homie, step up like a man. If your strategy is tight, you find another play. Don't round trip the bag and give your wealth away. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Take the win, then win again. Don't be a dick for a tick. We hitting base hits, we don't swing for the fence. A pocket full of profit is the
Thanks, Kodak.
defense. Wait for the VWAP, slap to hit the flow. Take your money, run away, and then we do it some more. Stop, top blasting, homie acting like a clown when the pink
I mean,
prints, you ride the money down.
the thinking is very simple. It's like
The easy
everybody's short right now, man. Right? You see buyers step up. You may want to take the win.
Don't be a dick for a tick. Don't be a dick for a tick. If you can do it once, you can do it again. Making crypto honest again. Stay true to the digital.
Nice 550. See if we can keep pushing here. Thank you guys for being on the live. I mean, New York Open, man. It's the time to make money, right? I think it's the only time for us to really execute. Thank you for being here on the live. Hopefully you're all enjoying this stream. I appreciate you guys being here. 400 likes. We get toe pictures, so we got 215 likes. Can we set a record today at least, man? Alexander G, do you remember the likes record? I think it was like 300 and change or something crazy like that. First trade on Bitunix up 624. Let's go. Fuck yeah, Rob. GG's, man. I mean, it's... The liquidity is good on, like, for me, for position size, the liquidity is good, man. I've had it where, like, I'm on fucking MexC, and I'm like, can you take the profit? And it just sits there. How many times? Everybody's going to put a 1 in the chat. Here's your take profit line, and the price is just like this, and then it goes, poof. How many people? One's in the chat, man. One's in the chat. How many times? It's just like, it hovers, especially on altcoins, right? It hovers and it's just like, yeah, fuck you. That's what it's, literally, that's what it's saying. We're in a buy level. We have bullish divergence. We have tons of liquidity above us, right? We've consolidated and dumped. Everybody's shorting this morning. We swept. We saw buyers step up. I saw buyers step on the NASDAQ as well. Okay. The SPY is holding on for dear life. Critical support. Everybody's short right now. So we should try to be contrarian, but as safe as possible, right? That's the idea here with the long. Does it continue to rip? We don't know. All I know is that we want to see it retest. We want to see it reclaim the range. That is critical right now. So can we get back above here and start trading? That would be bullish. If not, we continue to rug. I'm still looking for longs down here, but it doesn't mean I can't take a little bit of volatility up right now, right? If we hold orb here for Biddy, right? So we want to see Biddy get back above 63. Want to see it hold here and push out. If not, that's fine. I mean, I could add here on Solana. I'm not afraid to add potentially here. Halfway down the candle, continuation up. My stops at entry. What do I have on here? 30,000. So I always like to add half. If I'm going to add to a trade, I add half because it's very easy for me to understand. So if I add half here, I know that if I add half of my trade, I'm going to end up halfway to where price is, right? So if I got 30,000 in the bottom left here, I know I'm in the way, but in the bottom left down here, I got 30,000 left on the trade. And then I add another 30,000. I know my entry is only going to move halfway up the candle, which means I'm still protected, right? That's typically how I add to trades if I'm going to add. Right now it's a clean rejection off of our resistance. But look, I'll add here. Boom. Now stop to entry here. Now my entry is not as good, but if we do get follow through, I will make more money. Okay, you see me add there. And I know I'm still protected. So that's like the safe way that I add to trades, right? So instead of being a 30,000 position, now we're now in a $60,000 position, right? And it's still a decent entry. Like I could go stop below the lows here. Like my break even is way down here because I've taken profits. But you know, I'm not looking to give away the money right now. But if this wants to go right now, I'm going to make a lot more money on the way up, right? So that's how I typically add to trades. Hopefully that helps you guys as well. I'm training you, and I'm live trading. Sometimes I don't understand my thinking here. Always copy price, paste, good to go. 50% out back into the range here. So we'll make a little bit extra money if we do continue to push here. Thank you guys for being on the live and supporting the channel, smashing those like buttons. 470 people here on the live stream, taking the trades, showing the trades. 100 people on X. Good to see you guys. Thank you for following me on X, guys. I appreciate you guys. What kind of fees do I get on Bitunix? I got VIP 7 because of the amount of size that I trade. Maker and takers 0.6. And if you sign up with my link, you get automatic VIP 3 for 6 months. I think they're pretty good. Considering the liquidity, I think it's great. Right? I mean, you got to pay to play. I understand that, but we also want to be, trusted exchanges. The exchanges, Clarity Act's going to bring a lot of, you can see exchanges going down recently, right? It's going to bring a lot of pain to some exchanges that are shoddy, right? So we always do our research on the exchanges we use because we keep a lot of money on there. So we don't want to use an exchange where we don't have good, support and fair pricing and blah, 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 right? Bitcoin trying to climb back here, holding orb. How will MexC do with Clarity Act? I'm not sure, man. I got business people with the MexC and Bitunix, BYDFI, WeX, all the exchanges, BloFin. I have good affiliates with all of them, so I will be informing my Discord along the way. I know Bitunix is in the process of applying for their MiCA for Europe and stuff like that, so that's good news, right? So there's, I'm always keeping on top of the exchanges as much as I can to make sure my community is safe. At the end of the day, I don't want you guys getting fucked over by an exchange. That's the worst, man. We are long right now on Solana. Our entry's higher now. What's our entry? 72.51. Stop loss at 72.56. 72.56. So we understand where we are here. Looking for follow through on Solana. Do we get it? I'm not 100% certain here. We are struggling a little bit. Nasdaq's making new lows. SPY, same deal here. Trying to hold on. Can we get going? Looking to get back into this range. Up $550 this morning, guys. Thanks for being on the live stream and hanging out here. We'll see if we do push. Solana's got to get above this resistance here. Otherwise, we're no bueno. I'm happy with 550 though for the start of the day. I took one scalp break even, so I'm probably up like $300-400 with fees. So that's fine. What's nice about Bitunix too, they have the break even line, so you can see where's break even. It's down here, right? So if I put my stop all the way down here, I'm gonna end up not making anything, right? But I understand that's my break even, and they have that right away, which is pretty cool. I like that feature. There's a bunch of good features in here that you can add. Guaranteed stop loss, you pay a little bit more, stuff like that, right? So let's go, baby. Push Solana, ya nambe pambe. We're gonna hit TP3, I guess that would be TP3, and we added to the trade. Push coming into this order block here, a little bit questionable, really. Do we get going? Gotta go. Pushing back here. How's Bitcoin looking? Bitcoin pushing back into VWAP here, into order block VWAP resistance right now for Biddy. So watching this area here, how do we react coming into this? I'm going to take some profit on Solana here. A little bit more of a push on Biddy and then hopefully up. Trying to continue. Biddy's gotten back into these lows here. So this is a good sign of strength for Biddy. Can we get follow through on Solana? TP's right around here. Solana's still underperforming, though. It's down almost 2%. Whereas Bitcoin's down 1%. ETH is down 1%. So Solana's underperforming right now. You can see that on your Bitcoin dominant or your Bitcoin pairs. If you're unsure, just look at Bitcoin pairs. You can see Solana's down 1% versus Bitcoin, which does mean one thing too, though. It means that Solana could start to catch up, right? Which means that it'll catch up to Bitcoin, which means you'll get more money out of the trade, right? Can we get going here? Come on, Solana. Don't be a nambe pambe. Push ya nambe pambe. Get going, man. One's in the chat if you're long with me. See if we can keep going here. Thank you for being on the live stream. 2 trades, 1 break even, 1 up 550, catching the low. We caught the low of the low in here. Absolute GG's. And GG's to you guys for being here and hanging out. GG's across the board. It is Steve Rugling a little bit. You long to ADA here? Okay. I mean, if there's one token that's absolutely beaten to death, it's coming for late shorts. Yeah, naturally we should be expecting down, especially if the Nasdaq fails to make higher highs and higher lows in here. SPY's trying to hold on, right? Holding this range low, really trying to hold this green line. It's a very, very key support here for the SPY. So if the SPY can hold here, Nasdaq can start making higher highs and higher lows, come back for some of this liquidity, right? Even if it comes into here, if we can start creeping our way back up, AlexOCrypto, and I can expect a little bit similar for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's claimed the range. We may need to see, a retest of orb and continuation up. That's very possible. But at the end of the day, we're here. We're in it. We go live trading in the Discord right after this as well, so that should be fun. Looking forward to that. Still looking to push here on Solana. Take another 150 out if we push up into here. I think that's 300-ish. Yeah, around 300-ish. I'm looking to maybe rotate to the red dot. red line, maybe up into here. If it does want to, if it holds the range and it follows through, right? I mean, we're against trend, so retracement suggests that we only come up into like this general area here, right? Because low, high, low, right? Hence why we took aggressive take profits in this area, because we're retesting a critical support level here. But if we can flip this, that's bullish. That's kind of what we're looking for right now. Everybody who's getting long here, I got a song for you guys before we head out. Top blasting.
Yeah.
Top blasting.
Better sit low when the chips low. AlexOCrypto. Fit the party like a disco. Van bass up my wallet. Yo, stay.
Are you kidding me?
All the gang, let's go.
Are you kidding me?
For a minute just to get a coffee. Came back to the charts and the price moved off me. Saw a big green candle pushing through the VWAP. Aggressive move up, so I didn't want to stop. I felt the FOMO rising.
GG's in the chat, baby. Let's go. Water gang. Gang. Gang, baby. Coming into VWAP resistance. Trades bad for my health. I pressed the green button when I should have clicked sell. Top blast in the high straight to trade in hell. Now I'm sitting in my wanking chair every year, feeling kinda sick. Got the Hershey squirts, man, the candle was quick. Monkey makers on my order, that dirty rascal. Under my stop loss, now it's a hassle. I used to be a carpenter, dropping spikes all day. Now I'm clicking buttons, throwing gains away. It's absolutely grim, mate. The price action is trash. Sure waited for the sweep to secure the cash. I got tilted, started spiraling, losing my head. Should've closed the laptop and gone back to bed. Don't be an on the pan, babe. Don't be a douche canoe. You gotta wait for the setup to come to you. V-shaped recovery for Biddy. Don't let the green candles punch you in the face. I wanted to slap a lally, the big V-wap slap. Instead I got chopped up in a bull trap, making crypto want us to jam. That's the plan. But top blessing trades wasn't part of the brand. Learn from my mistakes. Join the Discord fam. Don't buy the top or you'll get in the jam. AlexOCrypto. Talking fat when the chips low. Stay true to the digital. All the gang, bye. All right. Great stream today, guys. Good patience. Good patience. Good trade. Not an easy trade to take. You got to have a bit of cojones, you know. But we're here. We're here. Thank you so much for being here. 235 likes today, guys. Thank you for that. And I do appreciate you guys being here and spending the time. I appreciate your support. God bless you guys. I will see the Discord. We're going to go right into the Discord right now and start trading. Thank you for smashing the likes and subscribing, all that good stuff. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. AlexOCrypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. AlexOCrypto. 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 What you know about juice? Making the moves that'll blow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this game, so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another